Hi everybody, it is Monday and I missed Sunday because I was traveling back from my friend Shannon's house, and you missed half of last week because I was with her and just did not film. Extremely busy with her. We were shopping from one store to another. I dragged her to 3 different Everett's in 24 hours, and I think she is completely shopped out. So thank you, Shannon, for being a wonderful host. Had a great time, and I got lots of goodies to share with you on that haul. Some Macy's shopping that I did before I even left, and my Nordstrom anniversary sale haul, and I'm also due to get a Stitch Fix, plus I did some Stitch Fix freestyle shopping. So yeah, I've been bad. So I have been quiet for a couple weeks with not showing you many of my purchases, and yeah, I just went crazy. So unfortunately, today's back to work. It is 7:30 in the morning. I did not go to the gym today. My flight was delayed 3 hours yesterday. So instead of leaving at 7 a.m., I got left at 10 a.m., which meant that I didn't finally get home until my house until 3 p.m., which is crazy. So yeah, it was a long day of traveling. I was tired. We went out to eat immediately because I hadn't eaten since early that morning. And then from there, it was pouring rain here yesterday, and then I'm like, I have to do my food shopping. So my husband took me to the grocery store food shopping. And then, yeah, I came home. I never did my peppers this morning. I had every intention of not going to the gym, but getting up early to do my peppers. Haven't done that. I'm gonna see if I can slice them up and throw them in the oven now before I have to sit down at my desk. And yeah, that's basically it. I'm extremely casual today. I'm wearing this Michael Stars tank style dress that's more of a fit and flare versus a bodycon. It's literally a throw-on cotton dress. Like I said, what am I doing today? I'm sitting in front of my computer working, and hopefully I can get these peppers into the oven before I get to work. I put on my Dolce Vita fake Birkenstocks because I just want to be comfortable. It's really hot and humid out there, and I'm just not in the mood for really getting dressed up. I have all these outfit ideas swirling in my head, but I'm like, you know what? Let me just grab this, throw it on, and go. And this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So today I didn't go to gym. The gym is not open for me on a Tuesday. And it's hot as heck out there. So I'm gonna once again, casual and not looking to dress up. I am wearing this loft blue tank. I'm on a mission to wear all my summer clothes. So this is a blue sweater tank. Probably purchased it 2 years ago. Not probably this last summer, probably the summer before. It's half cotton, half acrylic, but it definitely feels more cotton, lightweight, very bra friendly. Paired it with a pair of loft shorts. These are probably 2 years ago as well. Probably maybe gotten around the same time as the sweater, not sure. And I have my newer Sam Edelman slides on because that's the way I roll in the summer. Throw on an outfit and that is it. So it's very casual this week. It's very hot. I think on Thursday the weather's going to cool down a bit and get into the 80s, and then you might see me style a little bit better. But yeah, right now it's casual and I'm on a mission to wear all my summer items. And if things I don't wear, because I really don't want them, that means that I probably need to purge them. All right, take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, welcome to Wednesday. Fortunately, this week is flying by so far. Can't say that it's gonna be like this by Friday, but finally when it gets to Friday, I'll be like, oh my God, it's finally Friday. But so far, Monday and Tuesday went by painlessly and we're on hump day. So one of the things I wanted to point out is that my nose, I don't know if you noticed it, it's been quite red lately, and that's because I have rosacea. I didn't want you guys thinking I was like doing cocaine or anything like that. But I have rosacea and I'm being treated for it by my dermatologist, but I didn't take my medication when I went to visit Shannon. So it flared up and now I'm like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. It's gotten a lot better because since I've been back, I've been putting medicine on it. I have a face wash and like a foam thing to put on. So it's starting to die down, but I didn't want you looking at my previous videos going, what is going on with her nose? Okay, so today I went to the gym, went food shopping. My family is out of the house. I'm going to film a video hopefully right after this. What am I wearing today? And yes, it's another casual day. Why am I so casual? Yesterday was 97 degrees out, hot, humid, steam bath. Today should be pretty much the same. I think maybe we're only going to get to 95 though today. From what I understand, we're going to have thunderstorms later. It is dark and gloomy outside now. And once those thunderstorms come in, we should get back down into the 80s, which is a much more tolerable temperature. So I'm wearing this gray loft tank. Over it, I have these little, it's a romper overalls that's completely made out of gauze in this olive color. And I have these shoes here by Dolce Vita that are the fake Birkenstocks or Birkenstock imitation. And yes, this is my outfit for today, working from home. Nobody sees me, I never go on camera. I'm typically sharing my screen with others. So I am on conference calls, but it's mostly talking and sharing my screen. Rarely do I ever go on camera. So I can pretty much dress the way I want. And if I went on camera like this, nobody's gonna say anything. All right, take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today is Thursday, no gym for me today. My gym isn't open at 5 a.m. on Tuesdays or Thursdays anymore, which kind of stinks, but I just use those as my rest days. I could go to another gym, but it's 5 miles away. My husband is there now. He literally took 2 classes back to back and ran a total of like 10 miles. He's crazy. I can nowhere near keep up with him. So since I didn't go to the gym this morning, I decided to film my Stitch Fix. Loved all the items. I'm in trouble. I need your help. I literally could keep everything from that box. Literally. The shoes that were a pair of flip-flops, those are the only ones that I probably wouldn't keep because they're not exactly comfortable or easy to put on. So those are ones, of course, the cheapest thing and the thing I need the most is what I'm probably going to send back. But, God, I think I'm going to regret sending the other stuff back. I don't know what to do. So definitely, hopefully I'm going to post that before I post this video. Hopefully you guys help me decide and give me like a rational reason as to why I should keep things. All right, so today, what am I wearing? I am wearing this cloth and stone jumpsuit that I got from Trendsend. The length fits perfectly. Hopefully you can see my shoes. Unfortunately, I'm nearsighted. I never wear my glasses inside the house because there's no need to. But when I back up further away, I can't tell if you see my feet in the camera or not. So this is always why I lift my shoes to show. They're just a neutral wedge that I got from Stitch Fix years ago called Me Too. Extremely comfortable. Other than working from home today, I do have a dentist appointment tonight at 5:30, so I have to leave work a little bit early to get there on time. And yeah, that's my exciting day. And it's gloomy and dark outside. Might rain today, I think. And yeah, nothing really very exciting. All right, take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is finally Friday morning. So last night I had a dental appointment. Today I went to the gym this morning. Really hard workout, almost threw up on the treadmill. Too much information, I know. Then from there, I came home, took a shower, saw my nutritionist, and I just had my breakfast because I was freaking starving after that. So what am I wearing today? Our weather finally cooled down. It looks like it's going to be a gorgeous day. My family is going to the beach without me today because I have to work. What am I wearing today? I am wearing this denim dress that I got from White House Black Market probably 5-6 years ago. I think it's one of those classics that never go out of style. It is a tank style with buttons down the front. I tie it a little knot here on the side. And I'm rather lazy and I just put on my Sam Edelman slides because I did not feel like wearing any other kind of shoe because I'm just running around to the nutritionist and wanted to throw off my shoes. But if I were to go out somewhere, I would wear nicer shoes than these. Now let's see, I have 2 videos I need to do for you before Saturday, and today's Friday. And the stuff better come in today. One is the rest of my Nordstrom order. I ordered on the 11th and I still have not gotten my items yet. I'm waiting for 2 pairs of shoes. And I have one Stitch Fix freestyle order that I ordered probably on Friday or Saturday. And it's been a week now and I kind of expect it. So they're supposed to come yesterday and that didn't happen. Now they're coming hopefully today. All right, take care. See you tomorrow for another day of styling and maybe you'll see a video or 2 of my items before you actually see this one. Take care. Till next time. Hi everybody, it is Saturday and I've been pretty busy all morning. It is now 2 in the afternoon. This is the first time I was able to film. Went to the gym, went food shopping, came home and cooked pretty much all morning. We're going to my friend's house for potluck. I made an eggplant parm, a bean salad, and spinach casserole. Just put the eggplant parm and spinach casserole in the oven, and yeah, once it's done, we'll be heading out the door. What am I wearing? So it's potluck, and we're probably gonna be hanging out on our deck mostly if the weather holds out. It's kind of cloudy. I don't know what's gonna happen. I decided to wear this Michael Stars black tank dress because it's just kind of easy. It's kind of a throw-on tank dress. And I like all the ruching here to hide all my flaws. And yeah, it's comfortable. It's warm outside, and it's a good summer outfit. I'm also wearing these very comfortable snake shoes. Got them years ago from Stitch Fix. Extremely comfortable. And this is my outfit for today, and that's what I'm doing. Take care, and see you next week for another week of styling. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me, and give me that thumbs up. And take care. Till next time.